Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to edit heading for mobile view in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard and here I'm creating a new web page for my website using Elementor, and I have just added a section. I have just created a section and added heading widget in that particular section, right? Now I want to edit this heading for the mobile view in Elementor. So how I can do that, right? As you can see, it is looking quite cool for the desktop version, right? But we want to edit it for the mobile version itself, right? So for editing this heading for the mobile version, you need to move your cursor on the black top header line, and there you would see the desktop option, tablet option and mobile option, right? You just need to select the mobile app option to view the preview of your page for the mobile, right? And as you can see, like our heading is looking like this. And now if we want to edit this heading for the mobile view, right, as you can see, like mobile view is there right in front of us. So you just need to again move your cursor over the heading and click on pen icon in the top right corner of the heading element, right? So I've clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar, as you can see, again we have content setting, style setting and advanced setting. So we are moving to the style setting, and here we are going to edit the typography so that this heading comes into one line, right? So we are going to click on pen, and then we are going to increase the and decrease the size of this heading, right? So it's done. Now what we want is, like, we just want to change the size height of this section, right? For editing the height of this section, you just need to edit the container, right? And for editing the container, you need to move your cursor over the container and you will see a edit container button, the 6 dot button, right? And here you can simply change the size of this container. For that, I have moved to layout, right? And here I am going to increase and decrease the height of this container. So the height of this container is fixed. We just need to, okay, so we have moved our heading position little bit down so it looks like in center, right? Because the heading because the container size is already very much less, right? And it can't be decreased more. So in this manner you can simply edit the heading for mobile view in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.